Good morning to everyone. Today I am here to teach you how to set the starting block in case of synthetic track or grassy track. Both the. Now let us go for some warm-up drills before we go with the starting block. Spot jump, forward, backward, include the hand, okay, high kick on the spot, increase the speed, move forward, go back, again move forward, go back, as I told you, this is the starting block channel. So you can see here are two holes and on the top one hole. So these three holes are needed when you are going for a block start, that too also in grassy track, not in the synthetic track. Grassy track, you have to fix all these three holes with the nails and a hammer so that it cannot move right, left or front, back anywhere when you are going for the start. In case of synthetic track, no need of fixing these three holes with the help of the nails or hammer. Here already we have 4 nails, small nails, which are used in synthetic track, which you all are using in your spikes, and at the down there are 8 nails, both the sides, 4 nail each. So what is the formula to set a starting block? To set a starting block, the formula is as simple as 1, 2 and 3. Now what do you mean by this 1, 2 and 3? 1, 2 and 3 steps. 1 step, 2 step and 3 steps. Suppose this is the starting line. Suppose this is the starting line. Now, what I do? 1 step. Just keep your leg behind the starting line. is the starting block channel. Now, I told 2 steps. Now what is that 2 steps? Before this, let me tell you something which is more important. How to set the block? One step you have marked. If you are using a grassy track, then put the nail here in this hole and fix it with the help of the hammer, not too tight, let it be little bit loose before we fix these 2 nails. Now what we have to do here, you all might be knowing a lane. A lane is having 2 lines. Suppose this is the starting line and I am standing in a lane. So one line is this side and one line is another. Let it be this one. One lane, suppose this one lane is the wall and the second line, one line is the wall, second line is this one. So this is one lane. Now we have to fix the block behind the lane. Now what is after fixing the one nail of the channel, we have to see that the starting block channel is in between of the lane. It should be straight, parallel to these 2 lines. Okay. Now let us see the first step. First step we have already seen. Once again we will see. One step behind, you fix the one nail, then see that this one is in the middle of the lane. Fix both the nails here with the help of the hammer. Then comes 2 steps. This is one step and second step. So this is 2 steps. Now 1 step, 2 step and 3 steps. So this is all done in setting of the starting block. Now what they are giving? They are giving 3 commands. On your mark, set and go. A gunfire. So when they are telling on your mark, just stand in front of the line and then okay. Now fix the leg to one block, then press it and go back. This is the case. Then set position. This is the on your mark position. Set position. Push the body forward so that the body weight should be on the shoulder, not at the back. Then go. So this was all about setting of the block. Thank you.